So everyone wants the magic shortcut to wealth, just like Aladdin did with the genie. But here's the problem. Easy money isn't free. It usually comes with strings, setbacks, and serious regret. What if building wealth isn't about finding a lamp, but learning how to stop chasing wishes and start making wise moves instead? Hello, I'm Jonathan from Parent Portfolio, where we help people build wealth and improve their personal finances. But before we begin, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our updates. So we've all dreamed about finding a magic lamp. One wish and boom, your problems disappear. Your bank account full and life is perfect. That's a dream, right? But what if I told you that quick riches can actually cost you more than they're worth? In today's episode, we're diving into the story of Aladdin, not just as a Disney fairy tale, but as a powerful metaphor for how chasing get-rich-quick schemes can lead you down to the wrong path, and what smart money moves you should make instead. So let's be honest, it's tempting. Whether it's crypto hype, lottery tickets, or some flashy online side hustle promising $10,000 in 10 days, we've all been there. The appeal is really real, and it feels easier, it feels faster, and it feels like it's the only way out when you're buried in debt or stuck in a paycheck-to-paycheck lifestyle. But here's the truth. Most quick money schemes are built on hype, not substance. They lead to burnout, broken promises, and financial regret. Just like how Aladdin found out, riches without responsibility can be dangerous. And in the movie, Aladdin gets everything he thinks he wants. Fame, fortune, a palace, but it doesn't last. Why? Because it wasn't built on truth. It was built on illusion. And that's how a lot of people treat their money. They want the appearance of wealth, fancy cars, luxury trips, the quote-unquote Instagram lifestyle, but it's not real wealth. It's borrowed, it's leveraged, and it's risky. The moment something goes wrong, losing a job, an emergency, a recession, it all crumbles. Aladdin had to learn the hard way. Shortcuts don't create lasting freedom. So what do smart money moves actually look like? It's not flashy. It's not always exciting, but it works. First, budgeting. Knowing where your money goes is the first step to taking control. Second, investing in yourself, education, skills, and a side business to build earning power that no one can take away from you. Third, long-term investing. Compound growth doesn't happen overnight, but over time, it changes everything. That's how real wealth is built, by planting seeds, not chasing shortcuts. I've helped people make these exact shifts, and that's what I talk about in Parent Portfolio. Remember, building wealth is not overnight. It's something that you build over time. Let me tell you about two people. The first was always chasing the next big thing. Day trading, crypto flipping, high ticket programs promising overnight success. They stayed stuck. They were constantly starting over, never building anything real. However, the second person, someone I've worked with, it's the opposite. They built a simple budget, set up automatic investing, and stopped trying to quote unquote look rich and focusing on being financially stable. And today, they own their own home, are building passive income, and no longer worrying about bills every month. One chooses illusion, the other chooses discipline. And guess who's winning? So, what's the lesson from Aladdin? It's simple. Wishing for wealth isn't the same as working for it. Genie-style success feels good, but only for the moment. But it rarely lasts. What lasts is clarity, discipline, and the courage to grow your money with intention. So if you've been tempted by fast money promises, I get it, but don't trade those short-term comfort for long-term freedom. You can build real wealth. You just need the right plan and the right mindset. So I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever fallen into a genie in the bottle scheme or made a money move you later regretted? Drop them down in the comments down below. I read every one of them. And if you're ready to stop chasing quick fixes and start building real wealth, please like the channel, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our updates. And once again, we're in this together. Let's do things differently. Let's be intentional and build real wealth.